Hey, how's everybody doing tonight? We're on page 34 in your workbook, the second booklet, page 34. Okay, see what we have here. Solving linear inequalities in real world situations. The first problem is this. Sharon needs to move tomorrow for her new job. She rents a U-Haul truck to move her belongings. It costs $30 to rent the truck she needs, plus 50 cents per mile to rent the truck she needs. So let P of M be the price of renting the truck, and M be the miles she's going to drive. Okay? So it says uh, write the symbolic representation of P of M. Okay, let's do that right now. So P of M would equal, so for every mile she drives, she's going to be charged 50 cents per mile. So that to me sounds like it is the slope of this function. So let's do that. 50 cents per mile. Let's call it M. And just to get the truck before she even drives is going to cost $30. So let's place that in there. That is like the y-intercept. Okay, guys? All right. Next question. Sharon has budgeted $200 for truck rental. How many miles can she drive on her budget? $200 doesn't mean she is going to spend all of it, right? But she has $200 if in case she needs to. So to find the answer, solve for M such that P of M is less than or equal to $200. Represent your answer in set notation. Okay. So we're going to take the P of M function right here. Okay. So that is a typical function. And we're going to put some requirements on it. So the cost needs to be less than or equal to $200. Okay. Now we need to solve for M and find out what that is. First thing we do, minus 30 to both sides. That is 0.05 M less than or equal to 170. M equals, what is this? $340. Okay. Oh, less than or equal to, I'm sorry. Less than or equal to 340. Okay. So in set notation, remember, it goes like this. M such that all values M less than or equal to 340. Okay. Okay. Moving on. So Sharon wanted to save money. So she went online to find an alternate truck rental company. She found Freddy's Garage can rent her a truck for a flat rate of $100. So she wants to compare under what conditions it will be cheaper for her to rent from U-Haul versus Freddy's Garage. Solve the M such that P of M is less than 100. Okay. Represent your answer in set notation again. Okay, same thing. So we're going back to the same function, the root function over here, basic function. This time, we're going to see how far she can get with $100 at Freddy's Garage. Then solve for m. Okay. Minus 30 from both sides. And we get m equals, oops, I made the same mistake again. It's not m equals, m is less than. M is less than 140. So write that in set notation again, like this. All values m such that m is less than 140. Okay? So this tells us with $100, she can drive 140 miles. Okay? Now, Sharon computes the distance she will need to drive during the move. She determines that she will drive 120 miles. Should she rent from U-Haul, the original up here, or from Freddy's Garage, this one over here? Okay, so she's wondering she can use her two functions right there. So let's see. Okay, let's set up the equation or the inequality. Yeah, equation, all right. Let's see. 120 miles. We just use the same old function here. P of m equals 0.50 miles times m plus 30. So in this case, it's 120 miles. Okay. And this equals let's see, half of that is 60 plus 30 equals 90. Okay. So for her to drive 120 miles, if she goes with the U-Haul, it'll cost her $90. If she uses Freddy's Garage, it'll cost her $100 flat fee. So it would be cheaper to use the U-Haul. If she doesn't go over 120 miles. If she does, then she's going to pay more than $90. Okay? And who knows, Freddy's Garage might become the better buy. Who knows? Okay, so that is the problem for the evening, guys. Any questions? I shall see you either tomorrow or Tuesday. Please take a look at this. I mean, there's problems here you can work on. There's problems here. All this goes on to the next page because you have an exam coming up. You have an exam coming up. Please go through these problems and see how you're doing. When you see me the next time in class, ask me questions. I'm going to check if you did the problems just to see if you understand what's going on here. It's not that simple. You got to really put some focus and concentration in your answers, okay? But until then, I shall talk to you later. Have a good evening. Good night. Oh, remember, sorry, this is page, oh, excuse me, page 34. Okay, page 34 in book 2. Okay, page 34 in book 2. Okay, go at it, guys. This is Algebra 1 signing out.